What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video, you feel me? I am in the garage with my car. As you can see, man, we finna tear this down. Taking the KA out, man. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is pretty much just take out the intercooler, piping, the intercooler, radiator, pretty much drain all the fluids, drain the oil. What else? Probably undo the harness. And yeah, so pretty much just take out the intercooler piping. I'm finna repeat what I just said. I'm not finna do that. Y'all know what the deal is, bro. Just finna take out small things, nothing too serious today. I'm thinking, man, what would be easier? Y'all guys let me know in the comments for the guys that be pulling motors, because I pulled a motor before, and I was thinking just to pull the motor itself and leave the transmission still in the car. I don't know, I never did it before. Well, is that easier for me to do it that way? Because I don't have to work on a transmission. I just have to work on a motor. Or should I just pull the whole thing out and do it that way? Let me know, because I might be doing this by myself. I might have my buddy Mateo come through and help me, but for the most part, I'm gonna do it by myself. And I feel like I can pull the motor itself by myself. Got the hoist right there, but like I said, we're not pulling it today. We're just gonna get the little stuff out the way first, and then you know, work little by little. So I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere we can time lapse, and yeah, man. So time lapse, let's go right now. All right, y'all. We got the radiator out, intercooler, piping, intercooler out. Here, I'll just show you guys, you feel me? Intercooler piping, intercooler, radiators over here, it's dark. I still have to take some of the harness out. I gotta take the fuel lines from the fuel pressure regulator out. Some of this stuff can still stay on. The starter has to come out. What else? I actually want to label some of these wires because I probably won't remember where they go to. But at the same time, it's not really hard to, you know, figure them out. But I'm trying to figure out what else has to come off. Yeah, I guess some of this fuel stuff, bro. Like fuel filter line, just the top one. What else, cuz? Just this one has to come out from the fuel pressure regulator. All right, y'all, so I want to show y'all this real quick. We got the harness out, engine harness. And I got every little thing labeled. You feel me? From the ejectors, number 1 through 4. TPS, water temp sensors, all the sensors are labeled. IAT right there. Everything's labeled. So as you can see, the engine's looking free from the wiring harness. And pretty much, yeah. So pretty much all I have to do is just take out the downpipe. Well, I don't have to take out the downpipe, but just the rest of the downpipe that goes back to the exhaust right there. Little shit like, you know, this heat shield can come off. This hose right here that goes to the brake booster, that can come off. I took off the fuel hoses, as you guys can see, so I don't have to take off the fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, that's it, man. That's gonna be it for this video, man. It's getting hella dark and I don't want to rush it, man. Like I said, I'm gonna take my time. Probably, it depends on how fast I get it done, but probably tomorrow after work, I'll be ready to pull the motor out. Yeah, probably tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see about it though. But man, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.